As an independent tire shop owner, you've spent years building your tire business. However, what's the plan when it's time to step away? Whether you're selling it off or passing it down, now's the time to think ahead. The smoother the exit, the better the outcome for you, your family, and your customers. Let's break down some selling and succession strategies to prepare your shop and the most common mistakes to avoid in the process. If your plan is to sell the shop, think of it like selling a house. You want top dollar? You need to make sure it's a business someone would be proud to buy. First and most obvious, start with how it looks. Is it clean, well maintained? Presentation matters, especially to lenders. If your plan is to sell, avoid setting the price tag too high. You've been at the helm for a while and emotions can cloud your judgment. However, the longer your price stays out of reach, the longer your business will sit unsold. Once it is listed, don't mentally check out. Keep operations running smoothly because any dip in cash flow while you wait for a buyer could raise some red flags. If your exit is still a few years off, watch for key milestones. Your retirement age, any dips or spikes in revenue, or even changes in staffing can all affect your timing. The best moment to sell is when your profits are strong and stable. Buyers want confidence that the business can thrive, even without you at the helm. If you're planning to step away slowly, bring someone up through the ranks who can take on a leadership role. Start small by letting them meet customers, make decisions, and get experience under your mentorship. That way, when the transition happens, customers stay loyal and your absence doesn't change much. If you plan on passing the shop down to someone in your family, make sure to involve them as early in the process as possible. Talk openly about the values and goals of your shop. Remember, leadership isn't just about experience, it's about intelligence and decision-making ability. If your successor needs help in those areas, invest in training and mentorship before they take the reins. Regardless of if you plan to pass the shop down in the family or to a mentee in the shop, when you retire, retire. Once you step away, let your successor lead. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.